I'm standing in front of 3 homes priced under $800,000, and there's one thing I want to help you to answer. Should I downsize into this home when I get older? Let's find out. Now, before we tour any homes, we need to know what criteria makes a home good to downsize in. So in order to do that, I'm going to talk about 3 things that actually matter: maintenance, livability, and lifestyle fit. How much work does the home actually require day by day? Is the home physically easy to live in? Does this neighborhood and location support the life you want to be living? By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Corinda Wong, and I'm a realtor here on Oahu, and I help seniors and families find homes that actually fit their lifestyle. One of the biggest struggles I hear from my clients when they're thinking about downsizing is, I don't even know what I'm looking for. They're overwhelmed by the yard work that never ends, stairs that are getting harder every year, and homes that are just too much space for where they are in their life, which is exactly why I'm making this video. We are at 801 South in Honolulu. This is a very nice 2-bedroom, 1 bath with 2 parking. It's listed at $770, and the maintenance fees are only around $550 per month. The interior is about 816 square feet, and there is a bonus of a lanai of 44 square feet. A lot of people who move to condos find that the single-family homes has a lot of maintenance. There's a lot of yard work, tree trimming, maintaining the home. Moving into a condo allows them to move away from that. And if you had multiple level home, it's nice to be in a condo that's single level. 801 South is considered a value-oriented, modern style condo. It was designed to fit many different lifestyles. Young, the downsizer, so it does have a great general floor plan. A few things that people really love about here is the security. The building is very secure, plus it has good parking, which includes guest parking. And the benefits of having the guest parking that people can easily access is that it's so much easier for your family to come visit you. They want to come see you, it's really easy. And if you have 2 parking stalls and only 1 car, even easier if you need to have a guest stay overnight. So having that and the security just gives an additional plus for seniors that are looking to downsize. If a senior moved in here, I think one of the things they'll really enjoy is the lifestyle that they'll get from being in this area. 801 South is near Salt. It's right in Kaka'ako, not that far from Ala Moana. So it gives you an opportunity to really experience a lot of things easily, a lot of places to eat. In the morning, go to great bakeries, they have good coffee. It's just really convenient to do stuff simply. We are at Windward Cove. We're on the 4th floor. We're priced at $799,900. This particular unit has been fully remodeled. It has a lanai of over almost 400 square feet. The interior of the home is close to 1,300 square feet. It is beautifully situated in the center of Kailua town. When people are downsizing and thinking about maintenance, they're usually trying to get away from having a single family with lots of yard work and things of that nature, which we've discussed. But when you come to certain condos, some of them have very little amenities and the maintenance fees are lower, or some of them could have lots of amenities, and that may be what you're looking for. The maintenance fees will be higher. Like this particular building, the maintenance fees are about $1,400 a month, and it does include a lot of great features. It has tennis courts, it has pickleball courts, it has swimming pool, sauna, it has a recreation area, it has security. It is what people are looking for when they want to have a lot of features when they're downsizing. They want to have more amenities and opportunities where they're living. This is a 4th floor unit, so it does have elevators that bring you right up here. It is not considered an absolute single level. It does have some transition stairs, but it creates great interest in the way the floor plan is laid out. So it's really great for a lot of downsizers, but not maybe for someone who specifically has to have a single level. A bonus for the 3rd and 4th floor units is that there is an upstairs lanai. It is amazing, great views. It just adds an extra feel to it that most people do not get in most of the condos around Kailua. What's really nice about where Windward Cove sits and what could be important since some people are downsizing is the convenience to a lot of things. It is convenient to grocery stores. It is convenient to eateries. It is convenient to lots of different shoppings. And some of the seniors we have just want to drive over to the beach and walk around. So it's in a good location that it offers a lot of different things that they could do in their morning. One of the bonuses of this particular unit is that it has been fully remodeled. There are units in Kailua if you're looking to downsize and stay in Kailua town, but most of the units are older. So it's really nice to go into something that's been fully remodeled so it has a fresh look and fresh feel, like some of the condos that you might get in town or some of the newer homes that you might see in Kaka'ako. I think the thing that would really appeal to someone downsizing is that this has got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's enough square footage to feel like you're single family. You're downsizing, but you're not getting into something too small. And it does have all these extra amenities that's great for lifestyles and things of that nature. I think the one thing to watch out for is some people, the maintenance fee may be a little bit higher than they're able to handle. So like I said, some people it's all about amenities and some people it's more about no amenities. We're at Ahakea at Ho'opili in Kapolei. It is a wonderful single family, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that is approximately 997 square feet with a little yard. One of the things downsizers look for a new property is what is the maintenance that's going to be required. What's nice about a single family home like this, there's very little maintenance. The yards are a lot smaller, so a lot easier to maintain. Everything is brand new, so just the general overall maintenance is a lot easier. As for livability for a downsizer, it's really nice to have the space of a single family home. This particular home does have stairs. It is 2-story. So for some people that are trying to completely get away from stairs, that could be a problem. But for somebody who specifically wants all brand new, this could be a real plus. I think when you're looking at new projects all on the west side, there's all different styles. I think one of the things people look for when they're downsizing is if there's a single level or at least a bedroom on the first floor. And this particular floor plan does have a bedroom on the first floor. And having that extra bedroom on the first floor can be a plus if you don't want to have to go up and down stairs, that you can convert that into your primary and then have the 2 upstairs as guest rooms. I think what's been really interesting is Kapolei has really blossomed into the second city that we've talked about for years. It is the place that a lot of the new eateries come in. It has a lot of the activities. You think of it as far west side, but when you live over here, you realize this is where a lot of the big box stores come in. This is where some of the new places to eat start out. It's a great place to get a lot of goodies over here. One of the benefits for seniors living in this area, having access to the rail has been really nice for those who like to travel a lot. They're able to catch the rail, go directly to the airport, and a lot of them found it to be really good. A typical morning for a senior will vary on the senior. Some people will just have a cup of coffee, lounge in their beautiful new home. Some people want to walk around the neighborhood. It's really a nice area. And others will want to check out all the great, unique pastry and coffee shops that they specifically have in Kapolei. I think one of the things downsizers really concerned about is maintenance. So finding a home that's brand new really relieves them of a lot of things, putting in a new roof, getting new windows, new appliances, all that is done. And they feel like they could live here with very little maintenance in their future. 3 homes, 3 neighborhoods, 3 completely different answers to the same question. What type of home should I downsize to? I hope this video has helped you find out what type of home you'd want in the future. But if you want more help figuring that out, there's a link in the description to schedule a call with me, and I'll give you the clarity on what your next chapter could actually look like. If you want me to make more videos like these, hit the like button and the subscribe to let me know. I'll see you at the next one.